Hey guys, happy Sunday. So it's today is day one of my 2-month sobriety break. I usually do this every once in a while. Last one, I think I lasted about 9 weeks, and I decided to have a beer. But I'm doing it 2 months until my wife's birthday weekend, which is on June 27th. And so hoping I can make it. If I don't, I don't. But you know, I gotta do videos and do stuff that you'll see in today's video, things that I normally wouldn't probably be doing today, because I try to keep yourself occupied with other stuff. You know, you gotta have hobbies and things else to do other than you know, sitting around drinking, watching sports. I'm still gonna watch sports, but I'll be drinking vitamin water and stuff. Get myself hydrated and you know, get myself energetic for a nice summer. I'm looking forward to it. So I don't have a bunch for you today, but I'm going to do some maintenance tips and stuff on my home systems and just kind of show you guys what I have. If you haven't seen what I have here at my home, I have the Bosch 20 SEER heat pump with matching air handler, and then I also, out in my garage here, I have a 2-ton Hyperheat, Mitsubishi Hyperheat ductless that I turn on periodically if I'm doing something out here and it's too hot or too cold. So I just wanted to make you guys a quick video today. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll be out in the field tomorrow. I got a couple sales calls and a couple service calls, so we'll see if I can get you some stuff, some cool stuff tomorrow. I look forward to it. Thanks. Alright guys, here's the leftovers from the brazing video from a couple days ago. I'm gonna get that cleaned up today. I like to keep my garage nice and clean, which I've been doing a pretty good job of. But what I'm gonna work on today is I'm gonna do a little bit of maintenance on my Bosch system here. I've had it installed for, I don't know, a year and a half, something like that now. I'm gonna at least get the filter changed. One of these days I will finish wrapping my metal work up here. I just it's real tight up in there, and it's my system. I can do what I want. Then I got the secondary. I need to tie that in at some point too. But I mean, it's out in my garage. I'm out here all the time, so if it's you know, if the primary gets blocked up, I mean, I'll easily be able to see a puddle down there. So no big deal. It's all concrete. And then I'm going to check out the filters. I don't run this too much, especially this time of year, my Mitsubishi Hyperheat, but we're going to check him out. I'll go outside and inspect the heat pump, see if we want to clean that coil. It's probably fine. It's over there on a real sheltered side of the house. So yeah, let's do some maintenance stuff today. Yeah, we'll go check out the Bosch heat pump too. Sorry, I didn't mention that. And as I did about, I don't know, it's been running, it ran all winter without the white hooked up, so I haven't even been on heat strips at all. Our electric bills have been awesome. Oh, God darn it. Ouch. Sorry, I hit my knee on something. Anyway, let's get my ladder out and we'll start doing some maintenance tips on this indoor system. I'll get that filter checked too. Alright, I've been slacking, so let's see what she looks like. I have a feeling she's dirty. I did it in December 10th, so what's that been? January, February, March, April. It's been about 4.5 months. Let's see what she looks like. She's whistling, so I have a feeling she's dirty. Oh yeah, she's caked up. My home system. Alright. Throw him over there, and we'll get ourselves a clean filter in there. Alright guys, these are the filter replacements that I use for the Honeywell F100 filter cabinets. They're much cheaper than paying for that Honeywell name. Made in the USA. Filter by. Just go on Amazon and search filter by and your size of filter. These are the MERV 8 ones, but they sell 10s and 12s. 8's good for me because I try to keep up on the filter changes. I'm not too worried about having something more restrictive. I want my system to last. So yeah, I got the date on there. Today's date, Sunday, April 27th, 2025. Let's put this nice clean filter in there. We'll see if my trap's dirty. I need to clean it. All right, she's got a little goop in there. Go ahead and take our trusty brush and we'll clean her out. Not that, as we're heading into AC season. Run that through there. I know Ted Cook doesn't like these traps, but I think they're fine. He thinks they're toys. We'll run this through both directions. See how I move? See how I got the stuff off of there now? So now when it starts producing more condensation, it'll push that. The clean water will push this dirty water out of here. As simple as that. Done deal. All right. What do I want to do now today? Get some temps on it. I'll show you guys some other cool stuff on this. I'm not gonna do much else on it though. She's purring like a kitten. I love this system. Say what you want about this Bosch. I have it installed on my own house and it works great. I showed you guys my zoning panel setup before, but I went ahead and made some nice labels for it so I know what zone's which. I got my wireless adapter because my downstairs thermostat is wireless. Upstairs is hardwired because there was already one in place, obviously. Did all the electrical all nice and clean. I even wrapped my my transformer that powers the zone panel with some tape so nothing can arc up against it. But yeah, I made a nice metal plate to go behind it. I think I did a nice job on it. Some guys were telling me that they didn't like how I did my ductwork. You know, I wasn't going for perfect straight lines with it. I was going for functionality. And it's all sealed with Pookie mastic, insulated well, and it works well. Like I said, my electric bills have been crazy cheap for how much crap we run on in our household. I'm gonna do something with our electric water heater at some point. I think I might go to a propane tankless because I'm tired of running out of water. But yeah, let's check the filter out on him, and we'll go look at the outdoor unit. All right, we're up here. So if you're a homeowner and you own one of these, there's 3 points of contact on these access panels. It clicks here, clicks in the middle, and clicks on the other end. So make sure when you're putting it back that everything clicks or it'll rattle on you. And then you just pull that up and it catches on each side, like so. Let's see what our filters look like. Yeah, I could basically eat off of them. Like I said, I haven't ran this that much, so it's fine. I don't even have the drain drained outside. I'll just put a bucket there if I run the AC this summer. This one, clean as could be too, so not too worried about it. If I can get that in there. Like I said, I haven't ran this that much, so there shouldn't be much to do on it. All right, let's go check the outdoor unit. All right, there she sits, guys. Trees are blooming nice. God, I love this time of year. I really need to mow my lawn today, but I'm probably not going to get to it. I'm going to watch my Mariners baseball game instead. Got a bunch of crap I'm doing, clean up stuff. But yeah, things don't look bad. We had the landscapers here to do some stuff. I want to do something with this nastiness over here, but you know, I don't have much of a green thumb really. I thought that tree was going to die until where a prevailing wind is from the north. Blows all these trees this way. I probably should have had a stake on that one longer, but this isn't a arborist channel. So we have our MUZ GS24. I know it's huge for my garage, but I wanted to make sure it was nice and warm and nice and cool in there. And then the inside's the MSZ GS24 indoor unit. And I mean, our coil, you can eat off that too. I ain't worried about it. I think I did a pretty nice job on it. You know, racial harmony with my line sets. I had one black line set, one white line set. They're getting along well. I like these units, but man, Gensco's really screwing me on my pricing on them these days. I got a good deal on this one because I was they did it because they knew I was putting it on my own house. But you know, I do a lot of advertising for them, obviously, and you know, some good, some bad. Let's go check out the Bosch heat pump. All right, guys, sorry about the lighting. It's not so good down here, but it's kind kind of weird. My zone panel shows that my downstairs zone is heating right now and she's not on, so I don't know if it's in a standby or what, but I'm gonna stand here. I'm gonna stand here and make sure that she comes on. I don't have any issue with my own system. This is the, where's the number? Oh, there it is. Bova 36 HDN1 M20 20 SEER. Thing has had no issues. Hopefully I don't have any now. Let me I'm gonna go bump both thermostats up and see what happens. The nice thing, so let me show you something. So the nice thing about the RedLink is you can hook this portable comfort control. And I can control everything from right here. I don't have to go upstairs, downstairs, and do that whole deal. I just went and grabbed this. I want to show you guys. If you don't have a Honeywell thermostat system, this RedLink, I strongly recommend it. I would do the Prestige thermostats though. I have the Vision Pros, which I hate. They just happen to work okay on my house. So let's bump. So the downstairs actually was satisfied, but it was still showing heat. And yeah, zone 2 upstairs, and it's closed. See, I think I labeled that wrong. I think, no, zone 1 downstairs is open. Oh, zone 2 is closed. Sorry, it's not showing heat. It's just fan. Why is the, oh, I don't have fan running for the upstairs? When did I change that? See, it's a good thing I do this type of stuff where I would not know what the hell's going on here. All right, let's go ahead and bump these up though. Let's cook my wife in the house for a second. It's only 58 degrees outside. So let's see. And then thermostat, this is our upstairs. Let's bump it up. And yeah, I guess I can't control the only thing I can't control from here is the fan. So, but I'm gonna go flip the upstairs thermostat back to fan on continuously. I don't know who changed that. Probably my wife or my daughter might have hit it. Somebody who came over. I don't know. But anyway, I just bumped them both up. This isn't going to be real maintenance today, guys. It's going to be tips and tricks, I guess. And there we go. So now we have both dampers open. Both zones are calling, so we have first stage and second stage of heat. Confirm that's open. She's open. Should hear the fan ramp up here in a second. Let's go see what the old heater pump is doing. I like playing with this stuff. It's fun. Let's see. Oh yeah, there she goes. I love how these systems ramp. I just got my brother one, so we'll be installing that this weekend. So I'll have a bunch of video on that, hopefully, if his kids aren't around. All right. That line's getting hot. Starting to ramp up. Beautiful. What's nice about these systems, if you have an old conventional system that's all the way on or all the way off, it'll blow cold air on you before the indoor coil's heated up. And I hate the way those old systems are. But what it does is it waits for this to get to a certain temperature on the sensors, and then it ramps the fan up. So, you know, you'll turn your thermostat on, you'll have a big delay in the fan, but that's what you want. So, yeah, I'm not gonna touch my system, man. I think a lot of guys go out and do maintenance on stuff, and something ends up breaking because they messed with it too much. Just do the basic stuff on it, and your system will run forever. Always get your filter changed. Make sure you don't have any blockage anywhere. And you're golden. Can't do too, I mean, you can do too much on these and make them not work. I learned from experience on that. Oh yeah. All right. I'm not gonna cook my wife. Let's go turn this thing back down. Just put that back to 70. Downstairs. Oh no, it's upstairs, sorry. I don't know, I had that 71. Let's put that 70 as well. There we go. Yeah, I love this system, man. It's really awesome. Really awesome. Highly, highly recommend it.